Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask on.
Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing lip swatches, which is why I don't have any lipstick on, but the rest of my face is done. I used to do my makeup like this all the time, like a big wing, very doll eyes, like little dots up under my eyelashes. But anyways, let me just stop getting off topic. Today's video is on the BUXOM Full Force Plumping Lipstick. I will further use them and let you, know what I think of them, like longevity and stuff like that. But I really just want to show you all the colors on a medium skin tone. I am medium skin and my undertone is olive. So if you have the similar skin tone to me, then here's some lip swatches. So just a backstory on these lipsticks. I'm reading off of this card they sent. I just stabbed myself in the face. But they have a full coverage creamy plumping formula that is long lasting and provides bold color. There are actually 16 shades. So I have 10 of the shades. So let's just, get right into these lip swatches and let me know which color is your favorite. Oh, and if you're new here, thank you for coming to visit my channel. My name is Micaylah. And make sure you subscribe at the button down below. And if you're returning, thank you for returning. Let's just get right into this video because I'm getting off track. And yeah, here you go.
God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fine. Percocet.